Let's look at our problem. We need to find out what 23,457 times 206 is. It looks like a really big problem, but don't worry, we'll do it one small piece at a time. First, let's write the numbers on top of each other. The bigger number goes on top and the smaller number goes on the bottom. Make sure the ones line up on the right side. Here's our trick. We break 206 into 3 parts, 6 ones, 0 tens, and 2 hundreds. We will times our big number by each part, one at a time. Then we add them all up at the end. Let's start with the 6 in the ones place. We times each digit by 6, going from right to left. 7 times 6 is 42, right 2 carry 4. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4 is 34, right 4 carry 3. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 3 is 27, right 7 carry 2. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20, right 0 carry 2. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 2 is 14. So we get 140,742. Now we look at the tens place of 206, which is 0. Anything times 0 is always 0. So this whole row is just zeros. Some people skip this row because it won't change our answer. That's totally okay. Now the 2 in the hundreds place. Since 2 is in the hundreds spot, we put 2 zeros on the right first. Then we times 23,457 by 2. 7 times 2 is 14, right 4 carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11, right 1 carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. That gives us 4,691,400. Almost done. Now we add our 2 rows together. 140,742 plus 4,691,400. We add from right to left. 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, 7 plus 4 is 11, so right 1 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 9 is 13, right 3 carry 1, 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 1 is 8, and 4. We get 4,832,142. We did it. 23,457 times 206 equals 4,832,142. That's a really big number, and you worked through every step like a superstar. Remember, big problems are just lots of little problems put together.